Hi everyone, welcome to part 2 of the Big Data lecture. Now that we understand what big data is and why it has become a thing, let's explore some tools that you can use to access the data that's being generated that we can't access using the tools in the past, like Excel. So data mining is a rapidly growing field of business analytics that is focused on better understanding characteristics and patterns among variables in large databases using a variety of statistical and analytical tools. Fortunately for us, a lot of tools are being developed that can do this. And a lot of software packages, including Tableau, are designed to allow us to utilize these large data sets. There are two types of data mining. The first one is supervised. And supervised data mining is used when you have a specific target variable defined, such as will a customer come back and continue purchasing your product? Netflix will do this to determine if a customer is going to renew their subscription. And Starbucks, their point system is designed to encourage customers to continue coming back. And the offers you receive are the results of supervised data mining. Will they make repeat purchases? Again, Starbucks will use this. Will a customer take advantage of a sale? And if so, how many customers are we expecting to take advantage of this sale? Will a customer upgrade to a higher level of service? And how much will a customer buy? Typically, these are going to be classification or prediction, such as regression or causal models. Unsupervised data mining is when you have no specific target identified. You just want to see if there are any patterns in the data. So, for instance, do our customers fall naturally into different groups? For Netflix, this would be, are there customers that love horror movies, and are they different than the customers that love comedy? Are there any customers that cross over? Additionally, do any of our products have similar sales patterns? So, for instance, if you were Kellogg's and you had a variety of cereals and other items, you might want to know if it'd be worthwhile to put together an offer of your best-selling cereal and a juice mix that you produce. The most common type of unsupervised data mining is going to be cluster analysis, which is also known as data segmentation. Now let's dive a little deeper into a few of these, a few examples of data mining. So as we kind of reviewed previously, these are some of the common approaches in data mining, and we'll dive deeper into each one of these. So data exploration and reduction is going to be pretty similar to what we do with standard data analytics when we're doing our descriptive analytics. So common examples are going to be charts, histograms, frequency distributions, and pivot tables. These will let us get a very general overview of our data and will help guide us as we decide what advanced method to utilize to dig deeper into our data set. Classification is given some predefined categories, assign objects to one or more categories. The most common and perhaps easiest to understand example is going to be a spam filter on your email. Your email program, be it Outlook or Gmail, will automatically decide if a email fits a certain pattern that is common with spam emails, and if it does, it'll move it to your spam folder. So here we have the Iroquois spam categorization, and as you can see, it has identified this one email as potentially spammy. Correlation and regression. We'll cover this later in the semester, but the goal of correlation and regression is to identify what items move together. Now, it's important to note that classification is different than regression in that classification gives a categorical decision, for instance, spam or not spam, whereas regression gives a numeric value, such as the increase in price we can expect by adding additional square feet to a home. Cluster analysis is going to be one of our unsupervised techniques. And this is going to be given a set of data points, each having a set of attributes and similarity measure among them. Find groups, clusters, that are more similar to one another than data points in other clusters. So going back to Netflix customers and their video preferences, can we cluster these customers based on preferences? And if so, can we develop an advertising regimen that will get them to be more engaged with our product and therefore more likely to renew their subscription? Association is given a set of transactions, find items that co-occur frequently. The most common is market basket analysis. And one of the interesting items that was found through market basket analysis was that a lot of customers, not in this example, would buy diapers and beer together. And therefore, would it be worthwhile for a company or a supermarket to put these two items together so that way if a parent is coming in after a long day and to buy diapers for their child, they might subconsciously be more inclined to pick up a thing of beer if they don't have to walk all the way around the store. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to any of the instructors.